Coastal Carbon is building the technology that enables satellites to see underwater, allowing us to quantify the ecosystems in the ocean all around the Earth.
We enable seaweed farmers right now to measure how much seaweed they're growing on their farm and optimize their harvest and yields, as well as claim carbon credits.
We want to make the entire underwater world searchable, to make finding out something about your aquaculture farm or your marine protected area or your carbon credit ecosystem project as simple as searching on a satellite database and pulling up the relevant information you need.
We see our company being the de facto MRV solution for carbon credits and our industry being at the forefront of spearheading climate change and ocean restoration.
We're hoping to really get out of the program a connection and an understanding of the Maine community and the problems here in Maine. Maine has a deep and rich history of aquaculture and the aquaculture industry, and we think we can provide some value to that, and we want to really engage with the community and figure out what their needs are and how we can help.